Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can save your documents and text in Google Docs really quickly. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on Google Docs and there are basically two different ways how you can save progress and changes in your documents. The first option would be to simply have the autosave feature enabled. Usually it should be enabled as long as you're logged in with your Google account. So let me just type in something here for the sake of this tutorial, and then you will see that saving icon or notification here at the top, which means that these changes have been saved instantaneously, and whenever you come back to that document later, you will be given the opportunity to resume where you left last time. That's one option. The other option, guys, would be to simply save your document, for example, as a PDF or doc file on your computer or device. To do that, simply click on File here in the top left, hover your mouse over Download here, and select your output file format, like for example Microsoft Word, or for instance PDF, web page, HTML, and so on and so forth. So simply select your output file format, wait for the download process to be finished, and after that your document will be saved on your device so that you may open it later, for example via Microsoft Word or here via Google Docs by clicking on Open. And that's it guys, that's how you save your documents on Google Docs. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.